Is this video? Is this on? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, this is on. Yo, we're doing an Animal Company video. This is gonna be pretty fun. Reach for the sky. Okay, this is actually gonna be a pretty fun video because we have never done Animal Company videos before, so this is gonna be like brand new to me. Why am I even holding a fish fin? I'm gonna just take that. Take that, you stupid fish. Basically, the whole video today is basically just basically what all we're gonna do today is go basically go to I don't know what to do. Quick problem. We really have nothing to do in this video. We're just an Animal Company. Hold up. No. Hold up. I have this rare giant Charizard card, and I really like it. Like, look, it's gigantic. Oh, what's the? Yeah, like third person makes this like so cool. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna put this back in my stash. Why this fall at? You know what I like about this camera? It has butt cheeks. Like it has full length butt cheeks. It's weird. I want to go down here. I never really noticed there was an 8. Should I? It's a mushroom? Well, I think this is a Mario mushroom. Let's see what the fuck is. Yo, I'm tiny. But at least I get like a higher jump. Pretty good. God. Guess I'm going down. I should have been the. Whoa. I've never seen this. I've never seen like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I think that has a gun. Yeah. I don't have anything to hit this with. I'm gonna place it somewhere better. Dude, why is it not fitting? I'm dead. I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Well, let me get my camera back. Let me get my camera back. Man, I was dead, bro. I was dead. What? Okay, you know what? Let's just Well, the camera's broken, guys. Hold on. Okay, the camera isn't broken. Let's go. But do you know that this camera got butt cheeks? Do you notice that? But do you notice that this camera has butt cheeks, bro? This camera got butt cheeks. Just like me. Jimmy, shoot me. Ah! Well, I'm gonna jump scare you guys. From right here. Ah! Oh my god, I missed. I missed my jump scare. What we do? Ah! Da, 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 da. So I guess this is the end of the video, I guess? You smell like dirty. You smell like dirty Doritos. Okay, that's the end, guys. I hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the video and subscribe.